Let's make blueberry cream cheese quick bread. It's rich and decadent, made with fresh blueberries, a lovely orange-scented cream cheese layer running through the center, and covered with a sweet glaze. The name quick bread? It's a lie. It is not quick, but it is oh so worth the time. Also, it's not bread. It's more like a cake shaped like a loaf of bread. What do you call cakes like this? So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For this recipe, you'll need a stand mixer with both the paddle and whisk attachments. First, we'll make the cream cheese layer. In the bowl of the stand mixer, add 1 package of room temperature cream cheese, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 egg, and zest from 1 medium-sized orange. Mix at medium speed until blended, and then transfer to another bowl and set aside. Wash out the mixer bowl because we'll be using it again. In the bowl goes half a cup of room temperature butter. Add half a cup of granulated sugar. Beat those together until pale and fluffy, like this. Add 2 egg yolks and half a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix until completely combined. Now I'm going to mix in a 1/3 cup of milk and 2½ cups of flour with 1 teaspoon baking powder mixed in. I'm going to alternate adding the flour mixture and the milk, starting with half the flour mixture and then mixing that in before adding half the milk. And just repeat that until all the flour and milk is mixed in. Once that's done, I'll transfer the dough into another bowl because we need the mixer one more time. I'll quickly wash this up and get started on the next step. All clean. For this step, I'll need the whisk attachment. Add 2 egg whites and then we'll beat that on high speed until stiff peaks form. Like this. Then, while the mixer is running, add 1/4 cup of sugar until combined. Perfect! Now I'll transfer the egg whites to another bowl. Before we get mixing, I'll get a 5x9 loaf pan ready and lined with parchment paper. These clips are just to keep the paper out of my way for now. Oh look, another bowl. This is 1 pint of fresh blueberries washed and mostly dried. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour and stir to coat all the berries. This will keep the berries from sinking to the bottom of the pan. Oh look, another bowl. A big bowl this time. Add the cake batter and the beaten egg whites. Fold together gently until mixed.
You just fold it in. Okay. More time.
It says fold it in!
Like this. Add the coated blueberries and stir until mixed in. Grab your prepared loaf pan. Spoon in half the batter and smooth out to the sides of the pan. Spoon in all of the cream cheese layer and smooth out. Now I can remove these clips. Spoon the rest of the batter into the pan and smooth out to the edges. Try not to stir into the cream cheese layer. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes or until a tester comes out clean. While that's baking, let's make a simple vanilla glaze. Take 2 tablespoons icing or confectioner's sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 teaspoon of water. And whisk until smooth. And it's done. I'll let this cool a bit before drizzling on the glaze. It will cool faster if we remove it from the pan and put it on a cooling rack. Ooh, steamy! Now glaze that cake like a politician. This is just a plain vanilla glaze, but you can switch it up by adding lemon zest or orange zest or any kind of flavoring you like. You could add another extract, such as maple extract if you like those flavors. The possibilities are endless. This cake is insanely good. If you don't have fresh blueberries, you can use frozen berries. You could also use cranberries, raspberries, or blackberries. I have even made French toast with this. It's amazing. See that cream cheese layer? So good. You can change up the cream cheese layer as well by using lemon zest instead of orange zest. If you like this recipe, and if you try it, let me know what you think in the comments. You can find the link to the recipe in the description. Thanks for joining me today, and we'll see you in the next video. If you want to try some of my other baking recipes, try one of these.